AddMaths paper 2008 question 3. We've got to find the points of intersection of the line y equals 5x plus 13 with the circle x squared plus y squared equals 13. Okay, from here we've already got what y is equal to on its own. If we haven't got either x equals or y equals, we'd need to rearrange this linear equation to get that. But that means if I call this equation number 1 and equation number 2, I can rewrite equation 2 as x squared plus y squared equals 13. And now I've got this one equation with just one unknown, which is what I want to solve this. So I need to multiply the bracket out. Remember, 5x plus 13 squared means 5x plus 13 times by 5x plus 13. If I multiply the brackets out, I'm going to get the 5x times by the 5x is 25x squared. The 13 times by the 5x is 65x. The 5x times by the plus 13, 65x. The 13 times by the 13, 169. So I've got that. Now I want to try and simplify it. So I've got 26x squared, 130x. If I bring that across to where it'll be negative on this side, I've got 156, and that equals 0. So I've got this quadratic equation. Now it's a case of solving the quadratic equation. I can actually divide everything here by 26. They're not going to give you one that's particularly horrible here. 26 goes into 26 once. 26 goes into 130 5 times. Well, that is 26 more than that, so it goes in 6 times. So I end up with this quadratic equation. If I'm factorising this, I need two numbers that multiply together to give me 6 and add or take to give me 5. That's 3 and 2. The signs are both the same. A plus sign there tells you that. They're both the same as that. So they're both pluses, and then I can put the x in there. So if I have these two things multiplied together equaling 0, that means that either the first bracket equals 0 or the second bracket equals 0, which in turn means that either x is minus 3 or x is minus 2. Now I've got to find out the y value that goes with each of those, and I've got to make sure I've got the pairs correct. So if I start off with x is minus 3, my first equation I had, equation 1 earlier, was this. So y will be 5 lots of minus 3, which is minus 15, plus 13, so that's minus 2. So x is minus 3, y is minus 2, is one of the solutions, that's one of the points of intersection. For the other one, work with my other solution for x up here, which was x was minus 2. This is the easiest way to work out y, equation number 1. So I have y is 5 lots of minus 2, which is minus 10, plus 13 is 3. So my other solution, what I've just worked out now, is x is minus 2 and y equals 3. So it was asking for points of intersection, so I can give them both as coordinates. I have minus 3, minus 2, and minus 2, 3. Those are my final answers to that question.